Introducing the innovative roll-up Big Bait Bag, designed specifically for large baits such as glide baits. This bag boasts 4 large pockets, each meticulously engineered to securely store your large lures. Crafted from a fusion of premium materials, this bag was designed to ensure hooks do not penetrate through while protecting your valuable baits and their expensive paint jobs. The roll-up design not only optimizes space, but also enhances portability, allowing you to conveniently carry your arsenal of baits. Go ahead and order a couple today to maximize your big bait storage. See the easy link in the description.